Our next category is the Executive Leadership category, given to a senior level individual who demonstrates strong skills in leading their organization. Larry Schreiber, president of Anthem, Blue Cross and Blue Shield in Wisconsin, is that kind of leader. Under Larry's leadership, Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield has emerged as a leader in insurer-provider partnerships that are working to improve safety, value, and efficiency of health care throughout the entire state. He has successfully launched several initiatives and innovative patient-centered programs that have helped empower all players in the healthcare community. This week, Larry was named the new president of Empire Blue Cross Blue Shield in New York. So please welcome Larry Schreiber.
You may not know this, but Melinda's and my path actually crossed at 2 a.m. this morning. Metaphorically speaking, I was so excited about this award that I actually didn't get to sleep till 2 a.m. So while she was waking up, I was just putting my head on the pillow. So, I couldn't be more honored. First of all, I need to apologize to Scott Larrabee, my community relations and public relations director. And by the way, best guy in the world in that position. I couldn't do what I do without him enabling me all along the way. So thank you, Scott. I need to apologize to you because I can't do this speech. I walked in and I was so surprised that my wife, Wendy, and my daughter, Skylar, were here. They weren't supposed to be here, so I'm not sure who pulled this off over here, but we're going to have to talk about that later because now I'm nervous as hell. But I can't bring myself to read a speech in front of them, so we're just going to wing it. So as many of you just heard, as all of you just heard, and as many of you may have read in my favorite business publication, the BizTimes Milwaukee, where you can get a free newsletter online at biztimes.com. Did I get that right, Dan? Good, great. I am moving to New York. I was actually born and raised in New York, and my company kind of made me an offer I couldn't refuse, so I am going back. But I was really raised in business in Milwaukee. For the last 27 years, my wife and I, along with our family, have lived here in Milwaukee and La Crosse, so we've seen both sides of the state, and we just absolutely love it here. And in business, there is no better state, no better community to grow up in. So as I accept this award with my name on it, I would be remiss if I didn't read to you the 563 additional names that should be on this award. No, I'm kidding. But there are people that I absolutely need to call out. Obviously my entire team at Anthem who makes sure that there's time on my very busy schedule for events like this, for community engagement, to get the message out about health and wellness. People like Linda Watucky at the American Lung Association, who I saw here today, and Marianne Rausch at the American Cancer Society, who just set up phenomenal venues for someone like me to come in and engage the community, not just broadly, but very deeply. As a community of providers, healthcare providers, I have never experienced the type of collaboration that we have in this state. We are competitive in Wisconsin, and we do compete, but there's this incredible level of collaboration across systems between healthcare insurers and providers, and we are all striving towards the same goal. And that goal is improving community health, improving quality, improving and creating a more efficient healthcare system that's sustainable in the long run. And as I contemplate a move to New York, I think about what I bring to New York. I was reborn in Wisconsinite over the last 27 years, and as I head to New York, I will not slip into a New York state of mind. They will have to deal with a Wisconsinite, and we will see what we can do about creating the type of dynamic that we have here in Wisconsin and New York, because I believe that we're creating models for healthcare delivery and levels of community engagement that are going to be replicated in other markets across the country to create the healthcare system that we need in this country for decades to come. So thank you, everybody. All of the healthcare heroes, congratulations. Thank you, Dan and the BizTimes, for the recognition. Thank you, my team, my lovely wife and daughter, my other son and daughter that couldn't be here, but thank you. It is greatly appreciated. and I am humbled by this. Thank you.